That's it.
No, yeah.
No, you have to consider all
Yes.
this part, which is like the next step when you acquire the property. So the first point that we got on these taxes that I study and put in a note is the acquisition tax. The acquisition tax, for if we translate that in Spanish, is the impuesto sobre adquisición de inmuebles. What is exactly this acquisition tax for the foreigners or for the investor that they wanted to acquire a property?
Yeah, so this acquisition tax is due whenever you close the property,
Right.
and is a tax that is in our legislation, and it depends on the zone or the place that you're buying. And by this, I mean the municipality. So,
Right.
for example, in Playa del Carmen, or if you're buying in Tulum, or even in Cancun, there's different taxes to be, or different percentages. In Playa and Tulum, it's the same, 3%, but depends on the other parts of Quintana Roo, which is
Right.
our state, what percentage you're gonna be paying. And this is due to our legislation. It's let's say the local IRS,
Right. Okay.
yes, government institution that has established a tax for the acquisition of a property, which is this percentage.
And as you said at the beginning, this closing cost includes those
Yes.
taxes. So I was looking at the information online, and it says like typically or around is 2 to 4% of the property value. Is that correct?
Yes. In Tulum it's 3%. In Playa del Carmen it's 3%. It was about 4 to 5 years ago that changed from 2 to 3.
Okay.
So now it's 3%, and it's, well, up to this date, it haven't changed. Maybe next year, we don't know, but it shouldn't change a lot. But still, this point, 3%. Yeah, that you have to contemplate.
This is just like an extra question. Do you know why that percentage can change? What it depends for this percentage to change?
Yeah, well, it changes due to our, there's people changing our laws.
Okay.
Government people.
Right.
And this is due to many factors, increasement of, population, inflation, it's different stuff. But yeah, it changes due to that. Normally it's considered every year. So every year they say like, so are we going to change it? And they do like a study, and they say, no, we're staying like that.
Okay. Okay. So for now, like nowadays, the percentage in Playa del Carmen and Tulum is 3%.
Yeah.
It might change every year.
Yep.
With all the information that Danny gave us.
Yes.
So that's the number one. The number two that we have here is the notary fees.